In this video, we are going to see how we can make an account on Nano Banana and how we can access and start using Nano Banana. So first of all, just go to your favorite browser, go to Google and just search for Gemini. And then just click on this official website of gemini.google.com because this Nano Banana is a tool offered by Google. Just go ahead and click on that. And once we are in here, this is Flash 2.5 by the time you're watching this video. And it has the new feature of try image editing with our best image model called Nano Banana. So it's integrated in Gemini basically. If you want to change or customize any theme in here, we can do that by just going to the settings from the bottom left and just go to the theme and turn it into dark mode. And now it looks like this. And on the left hand side, you will notice that it is almost similar like ChatGPT. We can write different prompts. You can save your chats. And on the center, we have the command area where we can write different commands. So not only it works like ChatGPT, but if you want to create images, we can switch to the model of Nano Banana just by clicking on this tools button and click on create images. That's pretty much it. So you can just write simple prompts and create different images, or otherwise, if you want to manipulate or change your image or customize your image into something else, you can do that as well. You must have seen awesome Nano Banana creative images with celebrities that looks very natural. So here's how you can do it. Let's upload a file and let me just upload an image of myself. And let me just turn this simple image of my own selfie into a selfie with a celebrity like Shah Rukh Khan. Let's make this photo. I just wrote a simple command of make this photo a selfie with Shah Rukh Khan, and you can define it in much more detail. Customize the background. Let's say customize the background to London street. Hit enter and let's see the result. It will take some time. It says just a second generating the image. Let's copy a simple prompt and just paste again. So let's in fact use one of the image. Let's upload the file and let's just use one AI image that I have created before. So we will use this image of a person. Let me just show you. So this is the image that I created with Adobe Firefly. Let's use this and let's just define a prompt. And I just asked Nano Banana to make this person a superhero in the Superman costume. So let's see the results. And as you can see, the results are pretty awesome. And that's just a sample of how the AI function works. It works like magic. And we are just scratching the surface of it to see a very simple command just to identify what Nano Banana can do easily. You don't need any professional editing skills. You just need a simple prompt to make all of these awesome images. Similarly, let's try these two images. I have taken a picture of a house and I have taken the picture of a sky. Let's say that I want to customize the sky. I want to completely replace the sky with this one. So what we will do is we will simply provide the reference to Nano Banana for both of these pictures and it can easily combine and replace the sky for you. So let's go to add files, click on upload files and let's go to these images. Let's open them both. And by the way, guys, you will find these images with the resources section of this video. And now we can write a simple prompt and we can write anything like replace the sky of a house with the sky sample picture. Let's hit enter to see the results. It's generating the images and it's much faster than ChatGPT. So as you can see, it has completely replaced the sky and this image looks amazing. It has totally blended the sky with my sky sample. And you can download this images in high quality. Let me just see the sample of it. And this is the sample, guys. You can check the quality of the image and this is just the beginning of what Nano Banana can do. Also, if you want to customize it further, let's say I want to remove all the trees. I can just simply write here, remove all trees. That's it. It will again process a little bit and will provide you the update image. And now you can see that we can download this. It has removed all the trees as we can see in this updated image. So that's how you can use Nano Banana with Google Gemini. It's a very simple access. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.